Good afternoon from Middleton. This is a 2020 70 plate Fiat 500 1.2 star. That's top of the range from era. It's also an automatic. It's powder pink metallic with 5,408 miles. It's 5,408 miles only, one owner, full service history. It's all in beautiful condition. I'll just show you inside. The sportier seats in this model with the leather bolsters, leather multifunction steering wheel for your volume and Bluetooth controls, etc. Digital dashboard, 7-inch multimedia screen with DAB tuner, Apple and Android CarPlay and sat-nav, automatic climate control, automatic gearbox with an economy mode, a complimentary satin dashboard there, looks lovely, and panoramic glass sunroof. LED rear lights on this model, a good sized boot, and it's all lovely in the back too. Show you inside from this side. It's all in beautiful condition inside. As I say, top of the range car with a fixed glass panoramic sunroof. Very nice environment. The big screen's handy for Spotify or Waze, sat-nav, Google Maps, etc. It's also got TomTom sat-nav as standard. So there we are, that's a 2020 70 plate Fiat 500 1.2 star automatic, 5,408 miles, full service history. Full information's on our website, which is middletonfiat.co.uk. That's middletonfiat.co.uk. Thanks for looking.